Hey champions, welcome back to day 9 of our 21-day grammar challenge. Yesterday, we learned all about singular and plural nouns. Today, we're going one step further. We're diving into something powerful but often confusing, possessive nouns. Don't worry, it's going to be simple, clear, and fun, like always. What are possessive nouns? A possessive noun shows ownership. It tells us that something belongs to someone or something. For example, Ria's book means the book belongs to Ria. The dog's tail means the tail belongs to the dog. Clear? Just add apostrophe s to a singular noun to show possession. It's that easy. Let's see some more examples. Priya's phone, the boy's toy, the baby's bottle. Notice the apostrophe s added at the end? That's what makes it possessive. Plural nouns and possession. Now it gets a little tricky. What if the noun is plural? If the plural already ends in s, you just add apostrophe only. For example, the students' books means the books that belong to all the students. So the sentence is about multiple students and their books. The dog's leashes means the leashes that belong to all the dogs. So this shows many dogs and the leashes they own. But if the plural doesn't end in s, like children or men, then we still use apostrophe s. For say, children's toys, men's shoes. Easy trick, say it aloud. If it sounds like ownership, it probably needs an apostrophe. Quick recap. Singular noun add apostrophe s. When there's just one person, animal, or thing, just add s. Simple rule. One thing, just add s. Rita's bag, cat's paw. Plural noun that ends in s, add just the apostrophe. If the noun is already plural and ends in s, don't add another s. Just put an apostrophe after the s. Teacher's lounge, players' uniforms. Irregular plurals don't end in s. Add apostrophe s. Some plural nouns don't end in s, like children or women. For them, you treat them like singulars, add s. Children's books, women's jackets. Now it's your turn. Tell me whether these are correct or incorrect. The boy's toys, the cat's milk, the girl's dresses, the children, games, the men's room. Pause the video and answer. Let's discuss. The boy's toys correct, the cat's milk correct, the girl's dresses correct, the children, games incorrect, the men's room correct. Now it's time for today's homework. Rewrite these using possessive forms and create 3 sentences using possessive nouns of your own. Answers will be shared tomorrow at 6 p.m. Don't forget to check and see how many you got right. Here are your day 8 answers. Check your answers and let us know in the comments, how many did you get right? Amazing work today, everyone. Possessive nouns are super useful. Now you can show ownership in your sentences with confidence. Meet you tomorrow at 6 p.m. sharp for day 10 gender of nouns. Until then, stay curious, keep learning, and as always, let's make grammar simpler, together.